Hi, everyone. Today we're going to spend 2 minutes with Patrick Keyser, the Vice President of our digital manufacturing practice. So Patrick, are you ready to see how many questions you can answer in just 2 minutes?
I am.
All right, here we go. Where are you from?
Westerville, Ohio.
What's your favorite memory from the past year?
Watching my daughter graduate from high school.
What's one of your best life hacks?
When I'm feeling ill, I exercise.
What's a piece of career advice that's helped you at Sogeti?
Your career is in your own hands.
If you were rewriting the lyrics to the song, "These are a few of my favorite things," what are 3 things that would make your list?
Well, I like fall weather, college football, and spending time with my family.
What's your life mantra?
Nothing easy is worth a darn.
If the movie was being made about your life, who would you want to star you?
George Clooney, but that's my wife's answer.
Complete this sentence. Sogeti is?
The best consulting company to work for your career.
Complete this sentence. Sogeti is not.
A staffing company.
What's something on your bucket list?
A trip out west with my family.
Best TV series ever made?
Probably The Simpsons.
What's a book that stayed with you?
A Prayer for Owen Meany by John Irving.
Best dessert?
Ice cream.
Favorite city that you visited so far?
Paris.
What's a city you'd like to visit one day?
Vancouver, Canada.
Driving in your car, what are we listening to?
80s and 90s alternative.
What makes Sogeti different?
The culture.
I'm coming over for dinner. What are you serving?
Pretty much anything you want. I'm a pretty good cook.
What's something people would be surprised to learn about you?
I have a nickname that my whole family and friends call me by that I don't go by at work.
Oh, if there was a talent show, what would your act be?
Comedy, but it wouldn't be very good.
What's something most people hate but you love?
Fried eggs.
What's something most people love but you hate?
Hazelnut coffee. I hate that.
What's one of the secrets to your success? Oh,